If you're tracking employee hours across multiple sheets, combining them can turn into a lot of mindless copying and pasting. And you know what? Anything repetitive is easy to mess up because usually your brain will go on autopilot. So in this video, I'll show you how to combine all your employee timesheets into one table automatically. And here's what we'll get at the end. A single table with both the employee hours and their pay calculated for each pay period. Remember, if you want a copy of the script, it's available for download for free on my website. The idea here is simple because each timesheet usually has the same structure. So we're going to stack them together into one master table. As you can see, each sheet here represents a different pay period. This is a really common way timesheets are organized. I've got 3 months worth of biweekly pay showing here, but you might be doing 4 sheets with each representing 1 week. So you can make the final table being only a single month. At a minimum, your pay sheets should have dates, names, their pay rates, and the hours they've worked. Once you've checked that everything is ready, go ahead and go to Automate, then click the Run button. So what it's doing is looping through each sheet, calculating the total pay per pay period and the total hours worked per pay period. Then combining all that data into the final table. If you want me to do a deeper dive into the logic behind the automation, let me know. And there we have it. Now you have one complete table instead of multiple sheets to look at. If you want to go a step further, you could make a pivot table to show monthly hours and pay for each employee. But I know if you're working on benefits or payroll, then you need them by pay period. Right? Feel free to explore on your own and stick around because our next series of videos is tackling invoices.